My name is Tony Young. I'm the Director of Social Services here in Cardiff. That makes me responsible for three really important pieces of work in the community. So one is about safeguarding. That means making sure that vulnerable adults and children are protected from abuse, and in that capacity I am involved in the Local Safeguarding Children Board, and I'm the chair of the Local Safeguarding Adult Board. That means working with lots of partners to make sure that all professionals in Cardiff are working together effectively to support and protect children and adults from abuse, and making sure that staff are aware of what they need to do and how they need to tackle abuse when they're confronted with it. The second key area for me is being responsible for those in the community who need some level of care and support. First of all, by trying to ensure that we promote their independence so that they don't need to be admitted to a care home or to a children's home or to a foster placement. But if they do need higher levels of services, care and support, it's also my job to make sure that the service and the care that they get is of a good quality and that there's a sufficient range of choice. And so it's a really important job for families in the community. And my third area of responsibility is for making sure that the workforce that delivers these services is skilled, appropriately qualified, understand their responsibilities, and is well supported by the service, by managers in the service and by the council. At the end of the day, the quality of the services that we provide in social services to the community are very much dependent on the workforce and the frontline managers who deliver it out there on a daily basis in people's homes and on the street and in various settings, in hospitals and in schools. So it's a broad remit. It's entirely dependent on the effectiveness of my staff, and I'm very grateful that I have a very strong and effective management team and a really strong and effective group of skilled and committed staff